kid, today we are going to learn 6 words from the letter B. So, let's start. B is for ball. A ball is a round object that you can play with. It can bounce, roll, or be thrown. And it's lots of fun to play games with, like catch or soccer. B is for bear. A bear is a big, furry animal that lives in the wild. Bears are usually brown or black, and they love to eat things like fish and berries. They can be very cuddly in stuffed animal form. But it's important to remember that real bears are wild animals and should be admired from a safe distance. B is for book. A book is like a special friend made of pages with pictures and words that tell exciting stories or shares information. You can read it, explore the pictures, and learn new things from it. B is for butterfly. A butterfly is a beautiful insect with colorful wings. It starts as a caterpillar and then changes into a butterfly in a process called metamorphosis. Butterflies flutter around flowers and drink nectar with their long curly tongues. They're like flying pieces of art in nature. B is for bird. A bird is a flying animal with feathers and a beak. They come in many colors and sizes, and they make chirping or singing sounds. Birds can soar high in the sky and build nests in trees. B is for banana. A banana is a yummy yellow fruit that you can